What's that? What's that? Alright guys, it's a nice sunny day. So I think I'm gonna jump into something that I ordered a while back. And we're gonna test it out here on a Mule. We have and we use it all the time, and it's very great. It's a Kawasaki Mule 3010 diesel. It's got a little diesel motor. 4-wheel drive. You got locking differentials. You got a high and a low, a reverse, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive selector. I mean, this thing's actually pretty nice. We're gonna do some things to it. Get some new tires. These are old. I might put a little bit more of aggressive tire on it. But what we have here in this box is, I don't know if you guys see, right there, some little rubber mats. We've had rubber mats here in this bed for a while. I mean, they filled it up, they did the purpose, but it's starting to kind of scratch and wear down and get dirty and things like that. So I ordered some Raptor spray and bed liner. It's actually for the poop truck, but I got enough, it should be enough in here that I can do this and the poop truck. So we're gonna give this a test out. So let's go ahead and crack this box open. All right, I guess that's down. All right, so we're gonna try this a little bit different here. That didn't quite work like I wanted it to. A little bit more aggressive cut. Shit. It's a box in a box. With distractions or something. We got the gun. We got everything. Oh wow. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got the Raptor top protective coating. We've got the spray gun. Let's go and look at that first. So I'm assuming this gonna go on there, and then this gonna go in here. I don't know yet. What we got in here? Let's see what this is. All right, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got some kind of cap. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got a hardener. Oh hell. What's this? What is this? Now available. Aerosol. Oh, we got aerosol. Alright, let me read these instructions. Alright, so as you guys can see, the bed is washed. All the dirt is out. All the way around. I'll let this dry for a few minutes because it shouldn't take long because it's hot as balls out here. But you can already see it drying. Once it dries, we'll get it all taped off. Then it'll be time to spray. After reading the kit here, it says you take, what is this, 8 ounces of hardener to one of these. I don't think it's going to take all of one of these, and I really don't want to waste it, so I might try and find a way to like half this and only put 4 ounces because it is a small area and I really don't like wasting. So I'm going to try and figure that out, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so we are prepped up. We are taped off. As y'all can see, it is taped off all the way around. The inside's fully dry. Got our lip all the way around, nice and taped off. So I think we're gonna proceed to give y'all what y'all need. No, I'm just kidding. It's time to mix up our hardener with our liner and begin to spray. I opened a container. That shit's like sludge, so I'm just gonna put as much as I can on there and hope I don't waste it and don't ruin it. So let's get the mitts and Alright, we got our liner here. This one's black, 24 ounces. We got our hardener here. It's clear. I think, maybe. I don't know. Pull this out. Unscrew this right here. And I pull this piece out right here. This is our handy dandy cup that it comes with. So we're going to pour 8 ounces in here. It's got a nice little line. And there's our 8 ounces. Put our top back on here. So in case we tip it over, we don't waste it. See if we can make all this in here without making a mess. Something like that. We spilt a little bit. I don't think it's enough to hurt. Now the instruction says, put the cap on there, shake vigorously for 2 minutes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Screw this piece on here. Do like this right here. Nice and tight right here. Put that right there. Alright, so as you guys seen, it goes on relatively smooth. I mean, well, rough textured for bed liner, but I mean, it sprays easy. The kit's pretty amazing. It's pretty accurate spray gun too. What the fuck? It's the only recommendation that I give. There's a little tiny vent hole right there on top of the damn gun that I didn't realize was there. And you know, I went to shake it a little bit and got it all over myself. Well guys, the tape is off. And I gotta admit, it looks pretty goddamn good. Whoa! Overall review of the product. I think it's pretty damn amazing considering you can buy the whole kit with the spray gun and a gallon of the liner for like 120, 130 bucks off of eBay. I mean, it goes on smooth. As you can see here, I mean, it's already dry to the touch. The kit says 5 to 7 days for fully cured, like toughness, you know, you can put something in it. So while the mule's out of commission, I might put radio on it because, you know, I like to have radios on everything. I think we're gonna wire us up a little radio if I can find some little speakers or something to go on here, just so we can have some little tunes riding around. Cause you know I like to have tunes on everything. But yeah, as far as the Raptor Upol bed liner kit, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, Upol. I guess that's the way that it sprays. Spray gun. I don't know. But the Raptor liner kit, it's pretty amazing. So if you're looking to get a liner in anything, I do recommend it. You can get it in colors. I got black. I think I'm gonna order the white kit, and we're gonna give old Whitey over here a spray job. I think it'll look pretty cool. But yeah, the next project, I got 3 left. I think that's enough to do the poop truck, and I got to get something in the bed of that because that thing's getting beat up. You let people borrow your shit and it gets destroyed. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to comment. Be sure to ring that notification bell, and I'll holler at you guys in the next video.